Hello guys, today we are going to implement interstitial ads. So first you have to enable a plugin that is Online Subsystem Google Play. It will ask for restart. After that you have to go to project setting, and in the Android section there is a Google Play services. You have to take include and no support for ad. Then you have to add a ad unit ID. So make sure to use only test IDs, otherwise it will ban your account. You can find test ID from in the internet. It is available. So there is two things. One is interstitial and other is interstitial video. The interstitial is the just a picture ad, and video is the video ad. Then you have to go to advanced APK packaging. In this there is a slot that is extra permission. You have to give two array element, that is android.permission.internet and android.permission.access network state. After you done this, if your project is in blueprint, you have to change it to C++. So first click on file and then new C++ class. Then you can add an empty C++ class, just next and create a class. So it will change your project from blueprint to C++. Then you will get a source file. Just go to the build.cs file and add it with notepad, and you have to add these two lines in this private dependent module dot whatever it is. So add these two lines. After that save and go to the target.cs file, then edit this, and you have to add this uh, line in your target.cs. After all this adds, just go to any widget blueprint, and in the graph section event construct you have to write this code. So first load interstitial add, then you have to give a delay, and then is add available. Then there is a branch intro, there is show interstitial add, and after this step just package your project in etc2, and you will find that your test ads will run.